Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well and safe. I, on the other hand, have had a very interesting experience of contracting COVID-19, a vlog to follow. But before we go into all those interesting details, in the last 2 weeks of quarantine, I have accumulated quite a collection of TAEMIN and SHINee goods and stuff. So I wanted to share that before I went into quarantine. I actually received my first of this batch, which was the TAEMIN Series Tour DVD. It's a little bit too early for me to speak so much. I have been coughing time. 3 DVDs, a rather slim booklet, which I will look at later. A little pamphlet that says I have to join SHINee World J. So that's that. And then, I don't know what this one is. Heads up guys, like most of these stuff I bought weeks and months ago. Oh, okay. So this is postcard book of TAEMIN's TMI concert, the Pt.1 So yeah, I kind of forgot, but I had a postcard book that I ordered. And there's the first picture. Very fragile book. They're just like glued together like at the spine here. There are 10, I believe, postcards in there. Nice. This is a magazine, a Japanese magazine of all SHINee members. So there are 2 versions of this magazine, and obviously I didn't get the one with the SHINee cover. I don't even know who these people are. I don't know the language. I'm a little bit upset, but I'll have to go and order the one with the cover as well. Ooh, a bunch of packed lunch ideas. Packed soup, I believe. It looks nice. I will have to run a translator app on this. 20 pages of SHINee feature. Impressive. And this is the last page. I'm sure you can find the scans everywhere and the translations. I have to go and find the translations myself. And then I have this one. And it arrived so late. Like I think I ordered it in January, I believe. And it arrived in June. Well, mid-June. So I bought a bunch of SHINee and Jinlo collaboration stuff. This is the big soju glass. It's big, alright. This is going to make such a good yogurt bowl. Or cup, rather. So big. Yeah. And then I got the little soju glasses. I'll open up Pt.1 just for example. It's a set of 2 glasses with little characters like this. And one says SHINee is back. The other one says Key is back. It's gonna say like other names of the members. So like that. And then I also bought magnetic sets. I will open Mino's one just for example. So it's a magnetic and sticker set with a photo card of handsome Ming, and then the magnet. So it says SHINee is back, TAEMIN is back, Key is back, Mino is back, Wonyu is back. Alright. Stickers. And all this weight. Can't believe I waited for months for this merch, but I'm happy to see the boys and the photo cards, and I'm sure you will be able to find the photo cards online, like the pictures. The next one is a parcel from Japan, TAEMIN XTM Tour Blu-ray. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Ooh. Fancy. Little faces of TAEMIN. 2 discs of Blu-ray and a little booklet. I just love this outfit so much. That's why I bought this. I love the performance for Mars and Into the Rhythm, so I had to buy this. So I think I have collected almost, if not all, concert DVDs, Blu-rays, or Kino, whatever, the video. For TAEMIN, I think I bought 2 for the whole of SHINee, but I'm not sure when they will arrive. So I still have a bunch of package still to arrive. Yeah, my TAEMIN collection is almost complete, but not the albums though. Music albums are so hard to get. And then the next box is from SM Store, and do not be intimidated by this box because this is it. Talk about over packaging. Although I wish I bought everything at that time, at the time of purchase, I did not know I would be regretting so much for not buying the whole package. But oh cute. Okay, so I have the ID card and deco sticker set, the 2 flip books, A and B. Ooh, nicely packaged. It's pretty tightly packaged. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. If you can see this, he's swimming toward us and giving us a little heart. Oh, it's so sweet. Shall we have a look at the other version too? Now I want to see. Okay, here's the photo card. I'm not sure if it's random or if it's set. I'm sure you will see much better versions like on Twitter or anywhere else. But I think you got the gist of it, okay? And if that is not precious, I don't know what is. Then comes the brochure, which is so much bigger than I imagined. It's a big ass brochure. Oh, it is doing a little stretch. I don't know if he's stretching on purpose. I like that it's big. Oh, it's like a little behind the scenes of the flip book. It's got a little interview. Oh, he made us a little playlist of his own songs and SHINee songs that people can listen to for different moods. Oh, there's a little crosswords. Let me see.
No drama. No drama. Drama. Michael Jackson. Check Michael Jackson. Extreme sports.
Wow, so many like activities in this book. This little autograph, more pictures. A big ass picture. Oh, that was so cute. But now, what is this? Oh, the answers. Okay. So those were the parcels. I have 2 more batches of stuff to show you. Actually, there's 1 stuff and 1 batch of stuff. Now, as you could tell, I bought a Blu-ray and a DVD, and there are more Blu-ray or DVD stuff to come. So I was like, but I don't have a Blu-ray player. So what do? I buy a Blu-ray player. Now call me crazy, because I am well aware. If you're not crazy, you're not passionate. At my house, we don't have a 4K or UHD television because we don't really watch that much TV. Anyways, we just watch like a lot of YouTube. We used to watch a lot of Twitch. So we didn't really feel much need for you know, like a good quality big ass TV. TV is actually UHD. I don't know. It's the 1080 resolution, pixel resolution, and we pretty much just watch like stuff through Chromecast. So we were like, oh, you know, I mean, do we really need such a good TV? We were like, no. So, but now I regret it. Like, I wanna watch these things like super high quality, but so I didn't feel the need for our Blu-ray player to be that fancy either, so I bought like one of the cheapest options. I will have to set it up and play it while I prepare dinner. Alright, last batch of stuff. Now this is a big one, so I think I'm gonna have to make a separate video for it just to make sure, you know, I don't bore you guys to death with one long ass video. So I will come back with part 2, I think pretty soon after this one. So I hope you guys stay tuned. It will be basically SHINee and TAEMIN album haul. So see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys stick around for the next one. Bye!